Forgiveness is a decision that sets you free. Now, if you think about an altar in your heart, inside you, when you lay your burdens down, when you lay that burden on the altar, lay that memory, lay that fear, that pain, when you lay that down, what do you have more of? You got more space for something good. So when you lay down in forgiveness, those things, you've got more space for more love, more goodness, more peace. So that's like asking a toddler, do you want another chocolate chip cookie? Right? This isn't chicken soup for the soul. I think forgiveness is chocolate chip cookies for the soul. Yes, please, I will take more. I will have more peace, more happiness, more joy, more goodness, more love, more prosperity. As you do that forgiveness work and you lay down those things that you want to let go of, you have more space for the good. That's using your spiritual power tools.